All right, so this is the FlipPal. This is a portable small photo scanner. And right now the batteries are dead in this. So I've got to get new batteries. So let's just flip it over. And if you look, you're going to see on this one side, there's this little door. So we got to pop that forward, right, by pushing on it. You can see it shows you which way to go. Then there's a little tab here. You got to pull it, and then you can pull the batteries out. So these batteries are dead, so I got to get them out of there. There we go. And there's 4 of them in here. So as you can see, I'm kind of like, pain in the butt to get them out. Oh my God, such a hassle. Here we go. Got to kind of turn it upside down to do it. All right, so there it is. So those are the 4 batteries that were in there. Now we've got to replace it with 4 new batteries, and we got to shove them in there. All right, so anyway, I flipped this around. So when you put these in, you've got to go this positive side forward, like this. So I'm sliding it in. Let me see, there it is, positive. And you got to get them in there. And then one more. And then this last one, I've got to slide this down and then push this forward and push this back at the same time so I can get it in. It's a little tricky, all right? So anyway, now we should be all set and have our new batteries in there, and we should be working perfectly. So let's flip her around. And then this is the universal on button here. So what you got to do is kind of pull that this way, and you're going to see this plop open. All right. So now I'm ready to go, and all I've got to do is get a photo and put it in there. So here's a photo right here, and you just kind of slide it in. I slide it into the corner here. This corner here, I'm sorry. And then we just shot it. And you got to make sure that you've got your SD card in. So here is a 32-bit SD card. It goes in this slot right on the side here. When I put this in, I want the this side facing up. So I'm going to get it in there like that. And then we're just going to push it all the way down. And now it's in. Now let's go ahead and let's turn it back on because it went off. Let's turn it back on. There it is. Now we're ready to go. And all I got to do is press the button on it, and it'll take a picture of it. You can hear it doing it. And then you'll see it in this window. And bam, there it is. 1547. So bam, we got it. We're in. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.